Imagine a world where everyday objects can talk to each other, share information, and make decisions without human intervention. That's the basic idea behind the Internet of Things, or IoT. It's a network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity. This allows these objects to connect and exchange data. The Internet of Things is making our lives easier and more efficient. We can control our home appliances from our smartphones. Doctors can monitor patients remotely. Cars can alert drivers about traffic conditions. This technology is rapidly changing many industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to transportation and agriculture. It's creating new opportunities for businesses to improve their operations. In short, the Internet of Things is connecting the physical world to the digital world in amazing new ways. The Internet of Things might sound complicated, but the basic principles are fairly simple. It all starts with physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies that allow them to connect to the Internet. These connected things can then collect data about their surroundings or their own status. For example, a smart thermostat can collect data about the temperature in your home. A fitness tracker can collect data about your heart rate and sleep patterns. The collected data is then sent to the cloud, a network of servers that store and process information. In the cloud, the data can be analyzed to generate insights and trigger actions. For instance, your smart thermostat might send data about your home's temperature to the cloud. The cloud could then analyze this data and send a command to your thermostat to adjust the temperature, ensuring your home is always comfortable. The Internet of Things is like a puzzle with different components working together. Let's break down the key pieces. First these are the stars of the show. Think of your smartphones, smart appliances, wearable fitness trackers, or even connected cars. They all have sensors and software that allow them to collect and transmit data. Next just like we need the Internet to browse websites, IoT devices need a way to connect and talk to each other. This can be through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, or even low-power wide-area networks, or LPWAN. Then imagine a huge library where all the information from IoT devices is stored and organized. That's what data processing platforms do. They take in the raw data, clean it up, and make sense of it. Finally, there's how do we interact with all this technology? Through user interfaces, of course. Think of mobile apps, websites, or even voice assistants that let you control and monitor your IoT devices. Section 4: Advantages and Real-World Applications of IoT. The Internet of Things is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It offers numerous advantages across various sectors: increased efficiency and automation. IoT allows us to automate tasks and processes, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. For example, in manufacturing, sensors on machines can monitor performance, predict maintenance needs, and optimize production processes, reducing downtime and costs. Improve decision-making. By collecting and analyzing data from connected devices, businesses can gain valuable insights into their operations, customer behavior, and market trends. These insights can inform better decision-making and drive innovation. Enhanced customer experience. IoT enables businesses to offer personalized experiences and services tailored to individual customer needs and preferences. For instance, retailers can use smart shelves and beacons to track customer movement and send targeted promotions. Remote monitoring and control. IoT allows us to monitor and control devices and systems remotely from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This is particularly useful in healthcare, where doctors can monitor patients remotely, and in agriculture, where farmers can monitor crop conditions and adjust irrigation systems. Here are some real-world examples of IoT in action. Smart homes. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature, and appliances with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. Smart homes are becoming increasingly popular, offering convenience, energy efficiency, and enhanced security. Wearable health trackers, fitness trackers, and smartwatches are now commonplace, allowing individuals to monitor their physical activity, sleep patterns, heart rate, and other health metrics. This data can be shared with healthcare providers for personalized health insights. connected cars. Modern vehicles are equipped with a wide array of sensors and connectivity features, enabling them to assist drivers with navigation, parking, lane keeping, and even emergency braking. Connected cars are paving the way for a future of autonomous driving. Section 5. The future potential of IoT. The Internet of Things is still in its early stages of development. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of IoT. Smart cities. Imagine cities where traffic flows smoothly, energy consumption is optimized, and public safety is enhanced through a network of connected sensors and intelligent systems. That's the promise of smart cities powered by IoT. Precision agriculture. IoT is transforming agriculture by enabling farmers to monitor crop and soil conditions in real time, optimize irrigation and fertilization, and improve yields while minimizing environmental impact. Industrial IoT (IoT). In the industrial sector, IoT is revolutionizing manufacturing, logistics, and supply chain management, leading to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved safety. This is often referred to as the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0. The future of IoT is bright, with the potential to transform industries, improve our daily lives, and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. As more devices connect to the internet and more data is generated, we can expect to see even more creative and impactful applications of this transformative technology.